Kitten, how much do we sell the kittens for? How much money? No, I need you on the camera. How much do you think?
£14.
£14?
Yeah.
Do you think, don't you think they should be more than that? Do you not think we should sell them for more than that money? No? You're going to take your plaster off and show the camera your body?
Yeah.
How big it is?
Do it fast.
Yeah, let's have a look. Come close to the camera so we can see. No, not in front of it. Keep still. Sit still. Right. How did you do that?
I didn't know it can burn itself.
Did it?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we'll have to get to the doctor. Have to go to the doctor and get your head cut off.
Terry.
Terry?